Some of you may have noticed me flashing my new Flora Bright Bergen & Ball clippers. These are awesome. They are forged steel. They are phenomenal. They are heavy, but not too heavy. And another really cool thing is this fluorescent colored handle, so that when you're out gardening and you lay your clippers down, you'll be able to find them fast. It's genius. Corona has recently acquired the Bergen & Ball brand, which has been a household name in the UK since the 1700s. If you'd like a chance to win your own set of Flora Bright tools, Corona is hosting a giveaway on their website. So follow the link in the description of this video for your chance to win. It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity, and this is day one of an epic 12-day installation on this massive 5,000 square foot slope. So many challenges, I can't even begin. We are so excited to be here in Santee for this. Challenges are to include, but are not limited to, this grade. It is almost vertical. Therefore, boulders up here are completely and utterly impractical. Also, on the other side of this wrought iron fence is a swimming pool. So boulders are also off limits behind the pool. We don't want any chances of rock rolling down the hill, falling into the pool, busting the retaining wall, all of, any and all of the above. So I have to do an installation with no boulders. I know, I've never done this before. I'm also going to be creating a border with rubble all the way through here that'll come up 3-4 feet from the driveway. I'm gonna carry it. I don't even know, you guys, what I'm doing right here yet. We'll all be surprised. But the idea is to, I'm gonna be installing a barrel cactus colony above the pool, and another barrel cactus colony on the sidewalk side of this beautiful new fence, and the rest is going to be succulents and cactus. I mean, I have so many plants coming. I've got plants coming from Los Angeles, Orange County, Bonsall, Escondido, we have Sun Valley, we have Matt Jones, we have Waterwise, we have 2 private collectors that are contributing to this installation. Right now, the team is quickly offloading our haul from Sun Valley. And you will also note, I didn't want to go, sorry, Kevin, I didn't want to go bigger than a 15. Because it's so hard to get up there. And yeah. But let me show you. We do have access through here to get up on the slope. And we have access over here. This outcropping of rock, it was actually a working waterfall at one time, and they don't want that. They don't want to deal with it. So I'm going to resurrect that outcropping and make it look good and plant around it in such a way that it looks like an art piece and that it looks very intentional instead of just this weird pile of rocks. So that's going to be happening. We are also going to be addressing a downslope over here, under and around this eucalyptus tree, all in through here. I'm going to be providing retention with Portulacaria afrovariegata, as well as possibly some aloe arborescens. We'll kind of see how it goes. The client has a stand of rosemary over here, which is a great idea, but I am not interested in starting rosemary plugs or starting small rosemary plants. I just don't trust them to survive, and I'm just more interested in working with succulents that I know will survive. So, like I said, this is going to be 12 days, which is like a million years in DFS time because my guys work faster than lightning. So I'm just super stoked, and I can't wait for you to see this. I can't wait to see it. I'm gonna, the goal is to plant this pretty densely because I don't want to see dirt. I'm gonna have to use mulch up top too. It doesn't make any sense to try to run rock all the way up the slope. And you know how I feel about wood mulch, but there are practical concerns to consider. And the idea is that in a matter of a couple of years, 3 years tops, these plants are going to fill in to such an extent that you won't see top dressing anyway. So the mulch is temporary. I'll also, like I said, be adding a border with rubble. The inside of that border will be graveled, will be more of our style. So, as always, we'll just see how it goes. Thanks, you guys, for watching, for following, and be sure and tune in for the next 12 days to watch this thing really come alive. See you later. Bye.